Hi, my name is Carrie. Welcome to my channel. I am in my about 4th week of recovering from COVID, but I am finally on the mend enough to spend this weekend cleaning and decorating for Halloween. So I hope you'll join me in getting in the festive spirit.
So my cleaning essentials were a Diet Coke and a Mrs. Meyer's fall scented spray. I am moving my furniture around this weekend as well, just rearrange things before I started decorating. So wiping down the walls, cleaning the windows, and then getting stuff semi-organized, at least presentable enough in the spaces that I want to film. The trick to this faux spider web stuff is just stretch it out. Use as little as possible and stretch it out for an hour. It takes forever, but it's worth it. And then also, try not to hold your camera and put up your decorations at the same time or they might fall off your shelf and hit you in the face. And just a reminder that if you watch all my fall content from 2023 and 2024 and you spot those two little stuffed kitties and you comment where you saw them, that's an entry for a giveaway for my Christmas goodie bag this year. So, starting off the next day was Sunday, and I had to try the glowberry because it was a Halloween drink, so it had to happen. And then I filmed my walk to church because the leaves, they were awesome. And for some rude reason, my audio just is gone. But basically, I'm just showing you that I'm decorating some more after church and changed into my vampire pajamas because why wouldn't you? So first, this is the time of year where I also pull my underbed storage out and swap out my summer clothes for my fall and winter wardrobe. So I say wardrobe and laugh because it's not like I maybe have more clothes than I think, but I feel like I don't have a lot. But anyways, getting out all the comfy, cozy sweaters, the fall sweaters. It's almost time. My favorite fashion time of year is fall and winter because of the layers and the cute stuff. And I did also pick up a few new, or like two new sweaters from Target this year. They actually have some good stuff. It's kind of on and off sometimes, but I think they had these two really cute sweaters. So go to Target, get the Halloween decor and the clothes. To make my meatballs appear to have eyeballs, I got the little cherry shaped mozzarella balls and cut them in half And then I cut a little slit in the top of them as well. And then I just cut little tiny pieces off of my olives and stuck those down in the slits. And then I'm just going to place them on top of the meatballs. Of course, I will type up my recipe in the description. And then it was off to Trader Joe's, and I've got to show you, I'm sorry this is so shaky footage, but it's Beetlejuice. Beetlejuice himself, a striped beetle, was on my pumpkin. Can you believe it? So here's what I got at Trader Joe's. The jack-o'-lantern JoJo's, the pumpkin waffles, pumpkin ravioli, the pumpkin butternut squash pasta sauce, these crispy wontons I'm saving for Halloween night, the coconut almonds, and for some reason I didn't film my pumpkin butter, but definitely got the pumpkin butter. I basically literally just went there for the pumpkin stuff. And then, of course, my welcome mat, my Haunted Mansion welcome mat. It's one of my favorite pieces of decor. So, put that up, and then I'll show you the pumpkins that I also got at Trader Joe's. And we're going simple this year, but it's okay. I like it. I'll see if I can get into the back of the garage to get the other Halloween stuff that goes outside. And if I do and we put it up, I'll show you a short. But for now, this is it, and I think it is still great. We have our cute little lanterns, my epic welcome mat. Our tour begins here, and my little pumpkins. Thank you so much for being here and watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing some of my simple but fun Halloween decor ideas for this year, and I hope that you have a great Halloween. I will see you with some more Halloween content, so be sure to subscribe and hit your notification button so you don't miss that next video. Bye, witches!